Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a kingfisher, and I'm using a black canvas for this. I'm going to start by drawing the bird. Use a white pencil whenever you're using a different color canvas so that you can actually see what you're making. So I'm done with the drawing. Now I'm gonna start coloring, and I'm using acrylic colors for this. I'm gonna start by coloring the feather. I have mixed cobalt blue with white for the feathers. As you can see, I have not used the white shade directly. I have mixed the white with the previous shade that I made for the feathers, and I'm applying it to the areas that are supposed to be white. I have mixed cobalt blue with crimson red for the beautiful purple shade. The body, I'm using the orange color that I already have. I haven't mixed any colors, but if you don't have any orange color, you can use yellow along with red to get the same orange shade. I'm using white to make the furry texture, which will give it more realistic look. Using a dry brush for this is gonna help you to get the proper fur-like textures. Now I'm adding brown for the shadow. I'm not gonna apply it much though, just a little bit. Now I'm gonna be working on the feathers, and I have mixed cobalt blue with more white. For detailing, I'm using black. Now for the final touch, I'm using white. Basically, I'm using white to add more details to the bird. This will make it look more brighter and more realistic. As you can see, I'm not doing much, I'm just adding dots. Use a small brush for this so that you can work perfectly and the dots won't be much bigger. I'm done done with the bird, I'm gonna start coloring the branch, and for that I'm using black with white to get a gray color. I am applying little bit green too. I have just brightened the branch by using more white, and now I'm going to be working on its claws. Just applied orange and I'm detailing on it by using white. So this is how it finally looks. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe my channel for more art videos.